We're going to work on this third grade math problem about elapsed time. Sam started to play his Wii at 3 p.m. His mom said he could only play for 2 hours and 15 minutes. What time will Sam stop playing his Wii? So we're going to pull out our time tracker, which is a set model that we're going to use, and we're going to write 3 underneath hours and 0, 0 in the minutes because we're starting at 3 p.m. If we take our Judy clock and we can set it to 3 p.m. as well. His mom said he could only play for 2 hours and 15 minutes. So we know that 60 minutes is the same as an hour. So if we add 60 minutes and use our Judy clock to count, we can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We are now at 4 o'clock. If we add 60 minutes again for the second hour, if we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, we're now at 5 o'clock. So we're going to write down our 5 in the hours and our 0, 0 minutes. So we still have 15 minutes left for Sam to play on his Wii. So if we want to add 15 minutes to our 5 o'clock, we can count 5, 10, 15. So now we've added 15 minutes to the 2 hours we have. So if we add 15 minutes to 5, it is now 5:15 p.m. So what time will Sam stop playing his Wii? He'll stop playing his Wii at 5:15 p.m. So if we look at this problem using a linear model, we can look at this timeline to help us solve it. As you can see on this timeline, we start at 12 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on till 12 again. So this is saying it's 12 a.m. and this would be 12 p.m., just like on our Judy clock. So we know that we started at 3 p.m. So we're just going to make a line. This is a.m. and this is p.m. So we're going to just make a line right here at 3 p.m. because this is where we started. And we know that Sam can play for 2 hours. So if we want to add an hour to 3 p.m., we would jump a total of 60 minutes. We see here that this is 15 minutes, and then 30 minutes, and then 45 minutes, and then 60 minutes. So we're going to jump from the 3 all the way to the 4 to land us at 4 p.m. Now we need to jump another hour, so that way he'll be playing for 2 hours. So if we want to jump 60 minutes again, we can jump from 4, 4:15, 4:30, 4:45 to 5 p.m. Now we still have 15 more minutes left for Sam to play. So if we look, we can see that it is broken into 15, 30, and 45 minutes intervals. So we can just jump from the 5 to the 15, landing us at 5:15 p.m. So Sam will be finished playing at 5:15 p.m. Now, a misconception that you could have while solving this is that in base 60, which because there are 60 minutes in an hour, once we add 60 minutes, we're regrouping to a new hour. Similar in base 10, when we're using our base 10 blocks, after we have 10 units, we regroup to one long unit of 10. So someone looking at this might first say it's at 7:05, and if they're adding 60 minutes to it, if they do not regroup appropriately, they might think that it is 7:65 with 65 minutes, when it's really only regrouping to be another hour and 5 minutes.